Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Techaruna, and I'm sure all of you know that I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. Today we are going to see one of the wonderful app within Canva which is going to create reflection of any image. So without wasting much of the time, we should go to the platform Canva and log in and choose any template, that is blank template. So I've taken Instagram blank template and I'm going to choose an element or a photograph. Let us understand what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn how an image can be converted into easy reflection. Means if you want to create a reflection of any photograph or an image or an element, it is so simple to do within just one click. So we are going to choose an image first. So let us choose some image. I'm going to choose the best one which I want to show you. Here we go. Yeah, let me choose this one. So I'm going to fill this image covering half of the space available, right? So here it is, and this image I am going to actually create reflection of this image. So we need to go to apps, the nine dotted area, click on it, and you can type here easy reflection. Done. So click on it. The first and foremost option is easy reflection. Let us wait for it to start. It is saying I'm going to click on it and it says create reflection. Just click on that. Now it has created the reflection of this image. Now you can change the offset, you can change the opacity, whether you want it more bright or dull, we can do it, and which area you want it to be done above or else left or else right. I'm going to do below. So this is what I wanted. So after doing this changes, add to design. It is added. Here it is. Now you can again do the extension part also. Now you can add this. This is how you can create the reflection. So if you want to increase or decrease the opacity or offset, you can do it anyways, right? Let us check one more option. I'm going to add another page. I'm going to go to element. I'm going to select some, yeah, dogs, and I just click on it. Let me choose an image. It's a little bit slow. So I'm going to choose this image. Again, the similar way, I'm going to resize up to half page. And yes, now, now again, we are going to go to apps and go for easy reflection. Click on easy reflection and then create reflection. You've got one. I can change the opacity and then I can say add to design. It is added. Now again I have to resize it as per the image. Now here we go. So we have got a reflection image of this dogs. In case if you want to show it a real reflection, you can add some water background, click on it, and you can choose any simple water background, and then you can go and reduce the transparency. And yes, we can again resize it, and then again we can choose the layer to send it to back. Now you can see as if the reflection of the dogs are on water, so it looks more real. So you can do whatever you want to make the reflection part more real. So that's all for today, and I hope you found this useful. And if you found this useful, click the button like, share, and subscribe, and comment in the comment box for your suggestions. Thank you for